Hey everyone, my GoPro batteries, after days and days of attempts at charging them, are finally working again. I got another backup just in case. Last night, scrambling, panicking, anxiety, those idiotic tariffs kick in today, I think, Saturday. January 841 or whatever days it's been since that orange idiot took office and has quickly tried to destroy anything good that the government was actually set up to do so far. Everything from Canada, Mexico, gonna cost 25% more for you and I. Not for Canada, not for Mexico, not for Mexicans, not Canadians, but for you and I. And I don't know what he's doing with China, but everything most of the people in this country run off to buy at Walmart is from China, so that's going to hit you in the wallet and the pocketbook pretty bad. Yeah. I mean, if you could make up an imaginary, villain, not even those Marvel movies, which I haven't seen any of, but like a storybook, comic, villain, somebody you'd really, really not want to actually have to deal with in real life. That's what we have right now in charge of our government, so he's doing everything he can to severely hurt us, and it's... Yeah. So, panicking here about buying anything manufactured in those three countries. The log splitter attachment I've been eyeing for over a year for a tractor, which I still need a tractor. That would save my back and heat my home and my workshop in the future when I have a new home and workshop, and that's going to go up by 25% because it's made in Canada, so great. The mini excavator I want to buy, assembled in China. Great. Wonderful. The company's from Pennsylvania, but it's actually manufactured in China. Kubota tractors are Japan, and I think Coyote tractors are Korea, maybe? No, Thailand? I can't think straight right now. One of those really hot tropical countries that could have tariffs on them soon. Who knows how many more countries he's going to hit with tariffs. And by countries, I mean us, because all of these are affecting us and nobody else. And anyone tells you otherwise is an idiot and lying. And, well, this is the find out section of our journey into this guy's presidency so far. This is the F around already happened, and the find out is coming down like a hammer right now. People's benefits are still frozen. Food, medical, cancer treatments, daycare, school lunches for children, all still frozen. And the National Park Service has been under constant aggressive attack by Elon Musk, who is not an elected official and doesn't have any authority to be sending nasty emails to park employees, threatening their jobs and telling them that they can resign and get some sort of buyout package, which is a total lie. There won't be any buyout package, so don't think he's actually not lying about that. These guys don't pay their own employees. Why would they give the Park Service a buyout package? They want to sell off our national parks and give them to the oil and gas and mining industries and destroy what little beauty is left in this country. I'm sure they're going to go after any native land that the tribes still retain possession of in this country too. So, heads up, native allies, on that one. They're gonna try to take every inch of it. They're looting the place. They're looting it, and they're gonna leave us cowering in the corner in the fetal position, wondering what happened. So, it'd be nice if everybody woke up. Because, we should be on full alert right now. Lots of his executive orders are being challenged in court, but, you know, how long is that gonna take? If the court is stacked with the wrong people, I mean, this is just a nightmare. Hey, this isn't supposed to be a political channel. Let's look at some goats. This is so depressing. You just want your ball thrown, huh, buddy? I just want to be able to go grocery shopping this month. Be able to see a doctor next month. Shit like that. Still trying to reduce the goat herd by about half. Be nice to get rid of at least 4 of the smaller goats. And maybe the 2 kids too. Haven't decided on that yet. But 4 less goats would mean the kids could not be bullied so much and get some more food. That'd be nice. Hey, buddy. Yep. Just trying to deal here. It's like, can barely read the news. Can barely look at the news on YouTube. Can barely turn on Democracy Now! It's just worse and worse and more worse, and planes colliding with helicopters and air ambulances falling out of the sky, and you know, hey, let's fire a bunch of air traffic controllers and not replace them, and let's get rid of the head of the FAA, and let's make air traffic controllers work 10-hour double shifts and stuff where they're like exhausted and probably falling asleep. Let's do all that and see what happens. What happens is a bunch of people are getting killed, but let's take away all the safety precautions that we have for majorly dangerous stuff like airplanes. Really trimming the fat, huh? Let's get rid of any safety measures we have for flying on an airplane so we can give billionaires more tax cuts. Right, Buck? Go get it, buddy. Yeah, okay. GoPro battery is already at 49%. I don't know what the temperature is out here, but it's way warmer than it was the past few days. So maybe 20s instead of teens, single digits. Yeah, most people watching this probably do not have the means to be buying everything they will need in the next 4 years, you know, today, before prices go through the roof on everything. Including food, you know. Things people need to stay alive. How about that order he signed to increase drug prices so that people who are poor, can't afford their, insulin and shit like that. It's just, yeah. I don't know.